So what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I just recently brought my LED strip from the RGB and thought why not make a video on it, and yeah, let's get started. So here is the box, and personally I don't want to do the unboxing. Firstly, cut the seal, and after that there is a paperwork and LED strip inside box. So let me mention you, I brought this LED for 1000 rupees on free shipping. And after that there is also packaging. Inside this we have 12-volt adapter, and there is 24 key remote to control this LED strip. And after that we got the controller for controlling the LED. So here is the sensor plus connector to connect the LEDs, and here is the final product, the LED itself, and it is a 5-meter roll. If you are interested to buy this, link is in the description. You can buy from description link if you are willing for it or not. As you can see, it is now on my setup. There is a adhesive back to the LED strip which is quite enough strong to stick on my table. You can also use tape for sticking the LED strip. These are China LEDs in the price of 1000 rupees. You can buy it from the RGB if you are interested in it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, have a nice day and peace.